Porto Mobility Ranger X6 Portable Lightweight Premium Power Wheelchair Aerospace Aluminum Crafted Design Foldable Lightweight Dual Battery Dual Motor Airplane Ready Folding Electric Wheelchair. Travel light and easy. The Ranger Pathfinder X6 can be easily folded under 2 seconds without needing to disassemble.Simply release the lock and press the chair to collapse it. The chair's only 59 pounds net lightweight aluminum alloy frame and folding capabilities make it the best wheelchair for those on the go. Includes a black travel bag, making transporting even easier and convenient. The Ranger X6's folding feature and lightweight aluminum body makes it the perfect wheelchair for airplane. 2 batteries and powerful. 1 + 1, free, equals 2 batteries gets up to 14 miles in driving distance. Airline friendly, battery is allowed for transport on an airplane. Transport yourself anywhere you need with dual more powerful motors, 500W, with bigger rear tires, 12, the power needed for hills and inclines. Innovative convenience. The Ranger X6 includes spacious under-the-seat storage, removable seat cushion and backrest, washable, and flip-up footrest for added comfort. It's extremely comfortable. The wheelchair seat is wider than most at 19.6 and has a 265 pounds weight capacity. Both arms and footrest flip up for easy 3-way easy entry and exit. Underneath, built-in USB phone charger is a plus. Smooth and sturdy ride, ergonomically designed for maximum comfort. This motorized wheelchair can be driven in grass, gravel, or snow. The shock absorbers ensure a smooth ride on all terrains. The heavy-duty front casters and forks are made to handle the impact of any surface as well as a high weight capacity. Excellent turning radius of only 33 inches, gets around tight areas easily. Satisfaction guaranteed. Porto Mobility is a U.S. company that is committed to offer premium power chairs. All chairs, parts, and accessories available and backed by Porto Mobility standard 24/7 customer support. Will give